can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
The last 1 month has seen a lot of altcoins dump straight to gobbling town, but at the same time, a lot of them have bounced very strong back up. Helium is up 80% for the last 1 month. Sui, Tron has also made huge bounces. But right now, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and right now, we're expecting a huge pump to the moon. Bitcoin trades around $56,000. Ethereum trades around $2,300. In this video, we'll take a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Where are we heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the crypto market is in extreme fear. Yesterday, we had fear. Last week, we had fear. And last month, there was fear in the cryptocurrency market. The old saying says, you want to buy when there's extreme fear, and you want to sell when there's extreme greed. Will this turn out to be a very wonderful buying opportunity? Let's take a look at this alt-season index. The altcoin season index tells us right now we're not in alt season. And what is alt season, guys? Alt season is when we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin. Over a 90-day period, it is alt season. The last 90 days, I've seen Bitcoin outperforming altcoins. So we've been in Bitcoin season. A lot of market participants are still waiting for that wonderful alt season pump. I believe we'll see that pump come, but I believe we have to be very patient. Liquidation in the cryptocurrency market has been rising. In the last 24 hours, over 30,000 traders have been liquidated, with total liquidation coming in at $77 million, and the largest liquidation happening on Bybit, where one trader lost over $2 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to lose your money to the market. Be careful out there. You don't want to be exit liquidity. Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin traders brush off September blues, says closing price may surprise the bears, and Trump vows to make the US crypto capital of the world, taps Elon Musk for new task force, and monochrome confidence as it files for Australia's first ETF to hold ETH directly. Unlucky Mailbot takes out huge $12 million loan just to make a $20 profit. Its all-time high in 2024 is possible, but it is not highly unlikely, and crypto in extreme fear as Auto Haste tips sub $50 Bitcoin. Let's go back to the charts, guys. Bitcoin trades around the $56,000 region. Bitcoin has been undergoing distribution right now for months on end. We saw Bitcoin first hit the $56,000 region in 2024 on the 27th of May 2024. Ever since then, it has been a consolidation party. We have seen Bitcoin consolidating for 193 days right now. It has rallied up by 30% from that point where it got to on the 27th of February 2024. But at the same time, we have seen Bitcoin in that time frame drop 10% from that price point. Bitcoin trades at a healthy $56,000. With Bitcoin dominance sitting at 57%, I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance dumping in the coming days and in the coming weeks. That might give altcoins some room to run. If we see Bitcoin dominance heading to the 55% region, that might give some altcoins breathing space. And the biggest altcoins in the market, the biggest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, which is Ethereum, currently trades around $2,300. A rally for Ethereum, we see Ethereum going from $2,300 to as high as $3,000. That will be around a 31% pump for Ethereum, and that will see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin in the short term. Ethereum has been the villain of the cycle. It has not pumped as hard as Bitcoin. It has always dumped harder than Bitcoin. But I believe in this final phase of the cycle, we might see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin in the relief rally. I'm not one of those school of thoughts that believe the cycle has not started. We're going to new all-time highs. We're going to the moon, guys. I believe the cycle is over. I believe we're already in another bear market. I believe we are gearing up for a big dump to gobbling town. And we saw that happening in 2022 when the market was already in a bear market and the crypto market was in a bear market. We saw Ethereum getting to as low as $2,200, and then the rally took us to as high as $3,500. But that was just a relief rally to get everybody excited before the big dump to gobbling town happened. I see such scenario happening in 2024 with the Fed about to cut interest rates. I believe that cut in interest rates might not initially harm the market. We might see the market continue pumping after they start cutting interest rates, and then we'll see the big dump to gobbling town. Let's take a look at the top meme coins in the cryptocurrency market. Dogecoin sits at number 1, the top of meme coins. Shiba Inu sits at number 2, PEPE at number 3, Doge at number 4, Fluky and BONK number 5. We have Bread, Dog, and Polkadot taking the other slots in the top 10. Meme coins have been the number 1 tokens to buy in this cycle. We have seen meme coins having crazy pumps, but at the same time, you want to be very careful. Those meme coins could have crazy dumps, and those crazy dumps, they come very quickly. Total crypto market caps just under $2 trillion. Bitcoin is still the king of the market with over $1.1 trillion. Ethereum sits at number 2, valued at over $285 billion. USDT at number 3, BNB at number 4, Solana and USDC at number 5 and 6. XRP, Dogecoin, Tron, and Ton makes up the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. And the gainers and the losers in the cryptocurrency market over the last 7 days. In the gainer section, we have Helium, Starknet, Uniswap, Bitcoin SV, and Litecoin. In the loser section over the last 7 days, we have Beam, Immutable X, Akash Network, Dogs, and Bread. Be careful out there, guys. Huge pumps can arise in the cryptocurrency market. At the same time, we can also have huge dumps. Reflection, 7 billion AI model could be the answer to PEPE's LL's hallucination. 85% of crypto registration fails in UK over weak fraud and AML controls. Bitcoin yield opportunities are booming, and first fast Ethereum scaling movement peaks at 12k transactions on testnet. Interesting. Celestial Alt unveils roadmap to 1 gigabyte blocks, and US prosecutors allegedly link SFTX executive to Chinese bribery scandal. Power of Dokuro breaks silence for the first time since arrest as its Telegram CEO. Blockchain experiment results in swarm of centralized learning robots, and blockstream mining issues heart rate backed security token in fundraise. Finally, HNT defines market trends to 21% surge fueled by Helium ecosystem growth. Let's go back to the charts, guys. A lot of coins are having huge dumps the last few weeks, but I believe we're going to see Ethereum base and tokens having the final laugh. We're seeing Ethereum underperforming against both Bitcoin and Solana. I'll not be shocked to see that trend reverse on itself. I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum go back to those key moving averages. The Ethereum Bitcoin valuation sits at 0.042. I'll not be shocked to see it getting into that 0.05 level before the final phase of the dump will arrive. Guys, my general thesis is that yes, we're going to have a relief rally. That relief rally is going to happen very quickly. A lot of people get back into the market thinking, you know what, we're back on. We have had distribution for the last 6 months. A lot of people are mistaking the distribution for accumulation. So when that pump happened, a lot of people thinking we're back on. We'll go all in the market just as the possible wrong time. I believe in the bigger perspective, in the bigger picture, which means with the bigger picture, which I believe in, is that the whole cycle is over. We have seen Bitcoin in the bull market cycle from November 2022. I believe that cycle ended in March of 2024. So I believe we're already in the bear market, and in the bear market, there's still going to be a lot of pumps along the way, but majority of what will be happening in the bear market is huge dump to gobbling town. Just like we saw in 2022 when the dump was already in full effect and people were still very bullish, and the final relief rally saw Bitcoin the whole crypto market going from $1.5 trillion to $2 trillion before the final dump to gobbling town. That's exactly what I believe will happen. We are going to see a rally, maybe from the $6.9 trillion level to as high as $2.2 trillion before a final dump to gobbling town. Yes, I know the market won't repeat what it has done in the past, but you know what they say, history doesn't repeat itself, but it usually rhymes. I believe we'll see bullish days ahead. I believe we'll see September kind of bullish. September has a notoriety for being a very bearish month. Maybe this time is different. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The altcoin market is having a very hard time. Which altcoins are you buying? Are you selling, leaving the market for good? We're expecting that one final pump before we head to gobbling town. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.